Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Roblox without internet. It's important to understand that Roblox is fundamentally an online platform designed for real-time interaction and game access. This means playing games, joining servers, or connecting with friends absolutely requires an active internet connection. While the core experience is online, there are very specific, limited ways you can engage with the platform's creative tools, Roblox Studio, even when you're not connected to the internet, after an initial online setup. You can utilize Roblox Studio for creative endeavors even when offline, but with some important caveats. After an initial online login and downloading essential assets, templates, and any specific plugins you need, you can work on your projects locally. This includes building environments, writing scripts, and designing game mechanics. However, remember that to publish your game, access new assets from the marketplace, or collaborate with other developers, you will need to reconnect to the internet. To make the most of offline studio work, preparation is key. Before disconnecting, make sure you've downloaded all the assets, models, and plugins you anticipate needing for your project. Save these locally within Studio. It's also crucial to frequently save your ongoing work directly to your computer's hard drive, perhaps every 15 minutes, to safeguard against any potential data loss. You can test your game in a solo play mode within Studio, but remember, any multiplayer functionality will not work. It's vital to understand what remains impossible without an internet connection. You cannot play any Roblox game, join any server, or interact with other players. The entire social fabric of Roblox, including chat and friend systems, is online dependent. Furthermore, accessing the avatar shop to customize your character, purchasing Robux, or receiving essential client updates are all functions that strictly require you to be connected to the internet. The core gaming and social experience is exclusively online.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.